Hi everybody! For this activity, I will be showing you how to create a line graph in Google Sheets that shows the monthly sales of laptops and tablets. So our directions here state that we are going to increase the monthly sales for laptops by increments of 500, and we are also going to increase the monthly sales for tablets by increments of 1,000. So what I have done is I have created a Google Sheet and labeled it Sales Line Graph. So if we come over to that, the first thing that we're going to do is select cells A1 to C1, and then we're going to merge them. Next, we are going to type in sales, and then we are going to center it. Now from here, we are going to type in cell A2, month. In cell B2, we are going to type in laptops. And then in cell C2, we are going to type in tablets. We're also going to center all three of these as well. Next, we are going to type in the months. So we're going to start off with January, and then February. Now here's a neat little trick. Instead of us having to type in the rest of the months, we can select this little box out here. It's called autofill, and then if we drag it down all the way to cell A14, it will list the rest of the months for us, so that way we don't have to type all of the months in. Now we are ready to start entering the data. So for our laptops, we have 500, so we start off in January with 500, and then in February we have 1,000. And if we use autofill and drag it all the way down to December, got to make sure that we select both of these, the 500 and 1,000. If we drag them all the way down to December, it will continue the pattern, so that way we don't have to type all of the numbers in. And I'm going to add some commas here as well. We're going to do the exact same thing for tablets. So for January, we start off with 1,000. Then in February, we have 2,000. And then if we select the 1,000 and 2,000, drag it all the way down to December, it will continue that same exact pattern. Now that all of the data has been entered, we are ready to create our line graph. So we're going to select all of the data that's listed here, come up to Insert, and then select Chart. And Google Sheets will create the line graph for us. Now, as you can see here, on the x-axis we have the month, and on the y-axis we have the monthly sales. In blue, we have laptops, and in red, we have tablets. The last thing that we are going to do is label this line graph. We're going to call it monthly sales of laptops and tablets. Alright, so that is how to create a line graph in Google Sheets that shows the monthly sales of laptops and tablets. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day.